So before I start making claims that you can start making money from doing surveys and playing games online, let me show you some proofs of how much some of the people that watch my last training have made just within the last few weeks. These are all legit withdrawal testimonies, and I just picked some of the most recent ones for this video to show you that irrespective of what you have heard about online surveys or even your own previous field experiences, people are still making money from surveys up to this very moment. Now, as you can see from some of those screenshots, I am not promising you a huge amount of money to make from surveys. What we are making range honestly from between £5 to about £50–60, but we make this amount every week depending on how much you have invested into working this out. But one assurance I can give you about online survey is that if you have the time to put into it and follow my rules as I'll be revealing to you, you too will be making this amount on a weekly basis. If you live abroad, this amount might not really make a lot of sense to you. But if you live in a country like Nigeria, where £30 is around 60,000 naira and you are making this amount every week, then you might want to give survey a try. If you have tried surveys before and you failed, then keep watching this video so that you can learn your mistakes and start doing the right things and start making money in foreign currencies and withdrawing right into your local bank account, either in Nigeria or any other part of the world. So what I'm trying to tell you in essence is that survey money is actually real. But if you don't know your way around it, as I'll be showing you in this video, then you may never succeed when it comes to making money from online surveys and playing games. I made a video about online surveys about 2 years ago or so, but between that time and now, quite a number of updates have happened. And I noticed also that the video is still trending and people still coming to my DM till now asking me to mentor them about making money from online surveys, as I taught in that video back then. So that is the reason why I have decided to make an updated video on how you can start making money by answering surveys online and playing games, and how you can do it professionally so that you can be getting surveys to answer every day, keep your survey account from getting banned, get a verified PayPal account in Nigeria, which is a big deal on its own, or any other country to receive your money right into your local bank account, and also get games that have the capacity to make you money very, very quickly. First of all, I want you to understand that there are lots and lots of survey websites and apps out there on the internet. Lots of them are fake, but honestly, there are some very, very good and several legit ones that also pay. Secondly, the fact that a survey site is legit does not mean that you will make any money from it. This can be due to different reasons, but some popular reasons why you may not make money from a survey site is that many of them are not open to all countries to participate, particularly if you live in Nigeria or several other countries in Africa. So what we do most times is that we don't use our Nigerian profiles to register on these sites. Also, some of them can allow you to register from Nigeria, but the problem is that you may never see any survey to work on because the brands that use this survey most times don't have any products in Africa or in Nigeria particularly. So you might wait forever and there will be no survey for you to work on if you use a country that is not of a major commercial interest. Finally, the way you fill your survey profile matters a lot. After choosing the right country, which I will be telling you right about now, you must also fill your profile the best way that makes survey come to you every day, or at least almost every day. Getting this right can easily make you cash out as much as 200 or 300 pounds at the end of every month, or even more. By the way, 300 pounds is over 500,000 naira in the Nigerian currency. So I have decided to update my online survey course so that you guys can get something fresh that will be an addition to your present source of income. And if you don't have a job or you are a student, then doing survey can pay your bills and give you much more leftover. So what's going to happen is that I'll be making more videos for those of you that want everything for free. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can see those survey updates when I publish them. But if you want me to mentor you to get everything right in a few hours, get your account set up professionally, start working from your house with just your mobile phone and start making money within the next 48 hours or less, then you can chat me up using the phone number in the video description and let's get started. Please, you will pay. It's not free. So if you know that you don't want to pay, then there will be no need for you to chat me up. But like I promised, I will be releasing more videos that will show you different updated aspects of surveys. So if you subscribe to this channel, you get to see some of those videos for free. But for those of you that cannot wait and you want to work with me directly so that I can guide you and show you how to get this done without stress, then you can chat me up using the WhatsApp chat contact in the video description and I'll be waiting for you. Please like this video and share it so that more persons who need another stream of income can get to see this video. Thank you and I'll see you in class.